The United States. Big, right? From the sunny beaches of California to the bustling streets of New York, it feels like a whole world. But what if I told you that another entire world, the continent of Europe, could fit right inside it? Welcome back, cartography fans. Today, we're playing the ultimate game of geopolitical Tetris. We're retaking the countries of Europe and transplanting them directly onto the map of the contiguous United States. No shrinking, no growing, just a straight-up swap. The results will absolutely blow your mind. First, let's establish the scale. The contiguous United States is about 3.1 million square miles. Europe, including all its peninsulas, is about 3.9 million. So, for this thought experiment, we're using the European Union plus the UK, Switzerland, and Norway, which is a more comparable 1.7 million square miles. It fits with plenty of room to spare, so let's drop it in. We'll align the prime meridians and latitudes, the most logical fit. We're placing Lisbon, Portugal, right on top of San Francisco, California. Key. And just like that, the entire European continent unfolds eastward. France, Spain, and the UK take over the west coast and southwest. Germany, Italy, and Central Europe dominate the Great Plains, and Eastern Europe stretches all the way to the American South and Midwest. Now, for the fun part, let's take a virtual road trip and see who lives where. First stop, the Iberian Peninsula. Portugal is our new San Francisco Bay Area. Madrid, Spain, is no longer inland. It's now in Las Vegas, Nevada. Just imagine flamenco dancers on the Strip. Next up, France and the UK. Paris isn't in Texas, but it's close. With our alignment, Paris, France, lands near Wichita, Kansas. Bonjour, y'all. London, meanwhile, finds itself in the high deserts of Utah. Suddenly, that famously rainy London weather gets a whole lot sunnier. Now, Italy and Germany. This is where it gets crazy. Italy, the boot, is now kicking its way across Nebraska and Iowa. Rome is near Des Moines, so when in Rome, Iowa. Germany occupies the powerhouse region of the Great Plains, Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri. Berlin is near Oklahoma City. The Autobahn meets Route 66. Let's head north to Scandinavia. Sweden and Norway now cover the frigid lake-dotted landscapes of Minnesota and Wisconsin. Stockholm is near Minneapolis. Honestly, it's a perfect climate match. Our final stop is Eastern Europe. Poland, Ukraine, Romania, they become the new American South. Warsaw is in Arkansas, Bucharest is in northern Louisiana, and Greece. The cradle of Western civilization is now in the Mississippi Delta. Athens, Georgia, finally has some competition. The map is cool, but let's think about the consequences. First, travel is revolutionized. Your weekend getaway. You could drive from Paris, Kansas, to Rome, Iowa, in about 5 hours. A high-speed rail network in this Euro-USA would connect London, Utah, to Berlin, Oklahoma, faster than you can fly across the real USA today. Then there's the culture and climate whiplash. The Mediterranean climate of southern Italy is now in the humid Midwest. The fjords of Norway are on the Great Lakes. The sunny French Riviera finds itself in the arid plains of Colorado. You'd need to pack for every single season. And think about politics on this super dense scale. Imagine 44 different European governments, each with their own languages, laws, and currencies, all operating inside the American landmass. The bureaucratic complexity is staggering. The Schengen zone would mean no border checks between, say, Texas GM and Florence. So what if Europe was in the USA? You'd have an incredibly diverse, history-rich, but also densely packed and politically fragmented continent, all within a space Americans are used to thinking of as one single nation. It really drives home the sheer scale of the USA and the incredible density and variety of Europe. It's a reminder that maps aren't just about land, they're about people, history, and perspective. And shifting that perspective can teach us something new about our world? What other geographical swaps should we explore? Drop your ideas in the comments below. If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button. Subscribe for more mind-bending maps and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next thought experiment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the map.